This is how to cut and trim video faster in Adobe Premiere Pro. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Start building passive income skills, click the link down below. Simply put, let's say you have 2 video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. And let's say you would like to cut or trim both of these video clips faster. As you can see, if we click C on our keyboard, this will bring up the razor tool. As we're cutting our video clips, click here, backspace, delete, we are now trimming. Or if you want, there's a faster way to do this. Go to the top left hand screen, click on edit, click on keyboard shortcuts. Underneath the search bar, type in add space edit, all one word. As you can see underneath shortcut, click right here. You can type in a keyboard shortcut of your choice and then click on OK. So now if you were to play the video, if you click your keyboard shortcut or K, see how it's creating a cut much faster? A bonus tip, if you click Q on your keyboard, this will delete or trim anything to the left. And then if you click on W, it will delete or trim anything to the right completely for free in Adobe.